Hello, my name is Jed Albring and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels Jvzoo. So this is inside my Jvzoo account. I do a lot of Jvzoo products and I'm going to show you how I would use ClickFunnels to do it. But I'm assuming you're familiar with Jvzoo, you're promoting a product, you're selling a product. And typically the way that it would work with Jvzoo is once you have your your link and all your copy and your images and your landing page stuff. So depending on the product and what they provide you with is going to obviously determine on how pretty your funnel is going to look. But the way that you do it is this is just a simple opt-in, but the main thing to have is what's called a bridge page. So you want to have a step between the opt-in and the bridge. Because you want to build your email list. You don't want to just direct link them to the Jvzoo product. So my recommendation is to have an opt-in, or a bridge, and I like to do a video bridge page to make it more personal. You don't have to. It can just be a writing or something. But what I recommend, and you can move this up here, okay, so they'll automatically go right from the opt-in to here. And what I recommend doing is like I said, putting in a video or something. So here's actually something I did similar. I don't know if this was this a Jvzoo product? I think this was a Jvzoo product I did on depression. But you can see here, they opt in first, okay, because you want to collect their email, all right? If you're going to do all the hard work, collect their email. You can promote them other stuff later. Make sure it's within the same market, right? So they'd opt in here. Here's your cap, your hook, your headline. And then the next page, this is what I recommend you doing, is the next page of the funnel, assuming you use this product, right? If you want true success with Jvzoo, ClickBank, or any of the other affiliate places, you want to have used the product, okay? And that is how you're going to sell more. And in this video would be a short demonstration of, hey, my name is Bob and I have just read I've read the book, or I've used the book, or I've used the tools for the depression book. It's helped relieve my anxiety and my stress. It's a great book. I loved it. It's helped me out so much. And I know that you can get this book from a lot of different people, but if you do get the book from me today, here's what I'm going to do for you special. And then what you do is what's called an offer stack. So below here you put in, and if you're familiar with Jvzoo, there's probably a lot of other products you can get that are similar to this that you can white label, or you can get PLRs, and you list them below. And you say, hey, when you get this product today, I'm also going to give you my free book on weight loss for stress. I'm going to give you my 30-day recipe plan for reducing anxiety. I'm going to give you my meditation video series, okay? Then when they click on this button, this is where you would put your Jvzoo affiliate link. Then this would link to the affiliate offer. Got that? And you would just have something simple here that says, after you've received your product, please email me at bob@bob.com with your confirmation email, and I will send out your freebies. That is how you do it, guys, if you want to be a step above the 99% of the other people who are promoting, because all they're doing is throwing a link up and direct linking. If you want to make money and really grow your business promoting products, you have to separate yourself. So that's how I would do it. Put a bridge page in the middle, and that's how you use ClickFunnels and Jvzoo, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're new to ClickFunnels, I will put a link below for a 14-day free trial. And you guessed it, I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels. So if you start a ClickFunnels trial and you end up getting ClickFunnels, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great day, guys. Like, subscribe, share, and have a good one.